When we think about why we choose our life and why we would choose something so painful, we have to ask ourselves, how can we zoom all the way out and see what this experience is teaching us? Because life is a projection, it's a holographic universe created from our own subconscious. And I know that sounds strange, but it's the idea of the matrix. Every individual person is in their own show or their own game or their own matrix, their own movie, all created by their higher self. So, pre incarnation, the soul chooses the body that it's in, the circumstance that it's born into, and the things that the soul is choosing to learn or experience in that reality, in that lifetime. Now, if we see our pain and our life and our experience in a linear sense, yeah, it's unfair, it's horrible, it's painful. Why would we want to choose this life if it's so terrible? But that's the game itself. The game itself is to understand that pain is something that we choose to feel. So if we're viewing our life as bad or not what we prefer, we also have the choice to ask ourselves, what are we learning from this experience? Is this experience happening because we're in a loop? Most of the time it is. That's also telling you your karma. And it's showing you or asking you subtly, why are you in this loop? So then you have to stop and ask yourself, why am I always in pain? Is this a repeating pattern? And once you start asking yourself these questions, then your life starts to change, because that is creating an evolution. You're evolving out of your loop because now you are in a new pattern. So once you stop seeing life as stuck in the past, Joe Dispenza talks about this a lot. If we stay stuck in the past, if we don't resolve our trauma or remove our energy from the body that's stagnant and stuck from the past, we cannot change. You cannot break the loop if you're not able to see the possibility. So living in the present moment and moving to change anything, you're creating a new timeline. By choosing something different